Okay, so at this point we're finished with this sort of final image for our Yelena James. And we're ready to put it onto the light box and bring fabric over it. And hopefully you'll be able to see through it. It's a little bit tricky, but we're going to do our best with this because this is going to be the easiest way to do it. So you're going to want to use a regular pencil for this and try to make sure it's really lined up well. And you don't want it to shift too much, but you can kind of press the fabric down and try to see your design on your fabric on top of the gesso that dried last time. And go lightly if you can. It's a little tricky to do that. Try not to rub your hand over the surface at all, because this graphite of your pencil will spread everywhere. So just plan accordingly. If you're a righty or a lefty, think about where to start tracing so that you don't end up having to go over certain things. And it plays tricks with your minds a little. Try to remember what your design looks like a bit. Like I just remembered that this kind of hooks around and looks like a ribbon.